Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add a table of contents in Confluence. Now, let's face it, navigating through large documents can be quite overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with extensive information in Confluence. That's where a table of contents comes in handy. It acts like a roadmap, guiding you and your readers to the exact section of the document you need, without any hassle. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to create this helpful feature in your Confluence documents, making navigation a breeze. All right, let's dive right into the process. The first step on our journey is to head over to the Confluence website. Once you arrive there, you'll need to sign in. A straightforward method to do this is by using the Sign In with Google option. Just select your Google account, and you'll be well on your way. After successfully logging in, the next move is to find the specific space you're working on. This is essentially where your document or page resides. It's crucial to access the correct page within your space because all the modifications you're about to make will occur here. So, make sure you've selected the right one. Once you've pinpointed your page, direct your attention to the three dots. You'll typically find these located at the top or on the side of the page. These dots are essentially a gateway to more options, and more importantly, they lead you to the editing mode. Clicking on these will unveil several options, but our focus is on the Edit option. Go ahead and click on Edit to enter the editing mode of your page. This is where the magic really starts to happen. While in editing mode, you're going to type a simple command, /toc. This command acts as your shortcut to adding a table of contents to your page without having to sift through various menus. After typing /toc, you should see a small contextual menu pop up, presenting you with a few options. From this menu, select the Table of Contents option. Now that you've successfully summoned the table of contents onto your page, it's time to bring it to life. Begin by typing in the details and content of your table. Organize your information in a manner that is logical and easy to follow for your readers. Remember, the purpose of a table of contents is to simplify the process of finding information, not to complicate it further. The final step in this process is to save and share your newly organized content. If your page is already live, simply click on Update at the top of the page. If it's a draft, then you'll want to select Publish. This action will ensure your page is up to date and ready for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your Confluence page, making navigation a lot more user-friendly. The beauty of Confluence lies in its flexibility and its ability to foster efficient collaboration among teams. By organizing your content well, you're not only simplifying your own experience, but also enhancing it for your team and anyone else who might explore your work. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to add a table of contents in Confluence, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.